As we go in our life ride, it takes us in an interesting journey. A journey we feel we are in control, but we always encounter new surprises, twists, and turns. More importantly, it also throws at us multiple options which looks like puzzles with tricky clues. There are pros and cons, risks and returns. Some choices look tempting, some look challenging, some feel right, and some seem wrong. And we constantly keep searching for answers to arrive at that one choice by trying to solve this ever complex math. This is when your mind and heart seeks within you a direction. You raise your antennas of awareness, you believe on your beliefs and keep consulting your character. And magically, it leads you towards that direction which looks bright and more importantly right. As genesis for any clarity is chaos, and only a change to the status quo can initiate a forward movement, this chosen direction obviously lights in you an internal spark. This internal spark is strategic intent pushing itself to translate into a plan pondering towards actions trying to attain desirable results, and more importantly, know-how acquired, which in turn equips us to continue on what life directs as the next journey. This knowledge enables us to build the ability and right qualities to look at each of our direction across 4 dimensions. The 4 Ds, which are dedication to continuously learn, which widens our thought process, discipline to pursue on our goals with no distractions, determination to stay on and persevere even during the toughest of times or the roughest of rides, and lastly, decisiveness to make the right calls with the strength and commitment to take complete ownership and accountability for all our decisions to turn successful. So let us lay the foundation to choose the right direction by being aware, going with our beliefs, and respecting our character. Let us have an healthy and iterative internal spark to take the direction forward from strategy to plan to actions to results, and knowledge to look at 4 Ds: dedication, discipline, determination, and decisiveness. This is very important as we travel from one destination to another, gathering varied experiences across different phases of life. When you see multiple ways, it is a puzzle with tricky clues. The goal you need to chase is so difficult to choose. The mind seeks for clarity to pursue the success path. Right answers are a rarity, life looks a complex math. That is when you see a lead to provide you the direction and sow in you a seed to plan and go for action. You learn, you do, you pursue with passion and perseverance, and see great results come true as your decisions make full sense.